Hello everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you how to zoom and draw on your screen in Windows 11. So let's start. First, open any web browser and search for ZoomIt. Now go to this website link from Microsoft Sys internals. Now once you get into this website, click download ZoomIt to download these applications. Once downloaded, go to its download folder. Now extract the content of the zip file. Right click and extract all. Once extracted, you will see all the content of this zip file. Now run ZoomIt application. After launching it, ZoomIt runs quietly in the system tray. Go to system tray and click on show hidden icons, and you will see ZoomIt applications icon. Now right click on icon and go to options to see its setting interface. Now you will see here all the shortcuts to activate its different functions. Like to activate zoom, press Ctrl and 1. Click on live zoom to see its shortcut for activation. Press Ctrl+4 to activate live zooming mode. Like the same way, go to draw tab and you will see here details of all the shortcuts that you can use for different functions while you are in drawing mode. And to activate drawing mode, press Ctrl+2. This application lets you not only zoom and draw on your screen, it can also do screen recording. So go to record tab and you will see here how you can record by using the shortcuts. Now press OK or close the application interface. To activate zoom mode, press Ctrl+1 and your screen instantly zooms in, making small text and buttons much easier to see. Use mouse wheel to zoom in and zoom out. Move mouse to fan around. You can use the mouse wheel to sense zoom levels and move around the screen to focus on specific areas. Press escape to exit zoom mode. Now let's look at drawing mode. Press Ctrl+2 and you can draw directly on your screen. You will see here red dot to draw. Now to draw the arrow on your screen, press and hold Shift and Ctrl to draw an arrow. To draw a line, press and hold Shift and you can draw a line. To draw a rectangle, press and hold Ctrl and you can draw a rectangle. Pressing tab and you can draw ellipse. Now to change the color of the pen, press Y to change the pen color into yellow. Press B to blue. Press O to orange. Press P to purple. To adjust the size of the pen, press and hold Ctrl and move your mouse wheel up or down to increase or decrease its pen size, like this. Now to highlight on your screen, press Shift and Y for yellow highlight. You can also zoom in or zoom out while you are in drawing mode by pressing mouse wheel up or down, like this. You can sense colors instantly using keyboard shortcuts by pressing Shift and R to sense the highlight color into red. So to sense the pen size while you are in highlight mode, pressing Ctrl and move your mouse wheel up or down to increase or decrease its highlight pen size. This is perfect for tutorials, training videos, and online presentations. You can even combine zoom mode and drawing mode to clearly explain small buttons and settings. And that's how you can zoom and draw on your screen using ZoomIt, a free tool from Microsoft. If you create tutorials, presentations, or training videos, this tool can make your explanation much easier or clearer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Windows tips and tricks.